Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by putting the Ranger in park and engaging the parking brake, safety first. Once done, put wheel chocks behind the rear tires and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid airbag or electrical issues. Next, pry up the center console trim carefully with a plastic tool. There are 2 to 4 hidden screws under rubber pads and the shifter boot. Remove the boot by pulling its retaining ring, then unscrew the visible fasteners so the shifter assembly can be accessed. Now you'll work on the linkage and electronics. Label each connector so reassembly is straightforward, then unplug the shift lock solenoid and any illumination leads. Support the shifter assembly from beneath so it won't drop when unbolted. Use a flat pick to pry out the retaining clips on the linkage, then remove the pop pin or C-clip. This frees the shifter from the transmission linkage. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts, typically 3 or 4, and lower the assembly carefully to avoid snagging wiring. Lift the shifter assembly straight up and out, guiding any wiring and the shift cable away from sharp metal edges so nothing tears. Once removed, inspect the boot, bushings, and pivot for wear. Replace cracked pieces to restore crisp shifting. To reassemble, reverse steps, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect the battery last. If the shifter is stuck during removal, lubricate the pivot lightly, double-check for hidden screws or fasteners, and confirm the battery is disconnected before forcing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.